Good morning, classmates, dear teachers, friends, sisters of mercy, visitors, and parents. My first day in Mercy Junior College gave me new experiences. I made new friends and I became more active in school activities. My teacher, Miss Irene, made our class fun by singing a song and making up stories that is relevant to our lessons. She made learning fun for us. I would like to thank everyone for making my life better and interesting while I've attended Mercy Junior College as a kinder student. First and foremost, to God Almighty who makes all things possible. For Sister Lulu, who is always cheerful as we meet along the hallways. For Sister Hilda, who is always quick when giving a motherly love towards us. For Teacher Irene, who has become a second mother to me here in school. And for all the teachers whom I learned to love as well. I would also like to thank my classmates for the fun times we've had in school year. Being in school is a lot more fun with you as my classmates. Last but certainly not the least, I would like to thank my family, Mama Suyin and Papa Bert, for being the best grandparents, Mommy and Daddy, for your everlasting love and encouragement. For Uncle Bimpe was here on my graduation day. This wouldn't be meaningful without you.